I'm Evie Hill. I'm the founder of the San Luis Obispo Botanical Garden. I'm also its current landscape manager. And here's a plant that we usually don't think as a Mediterranean climate zone plant. And actually, a plant that is very, very drought tolerant. Narcissus, Paperwhite. You can just buy the bulbs in any store, plant them, and guess what? They will thrive in your yard. And they will grow, and more bulbs will form every year. Do you know why? It's because it comes from another Mediterranean climate zone, just like we have here in California. So these plants are cross-adapted. So they come from the European Mediterranean climate zone, but they do incredibly well here. And they also have another amazing adaptation. Think of an onion. It's a bulb, right? And these guys are a bulb too. So the way they survive these very long, dry summer periods that we have in our Mediterranean climate zones, they survive as a bulb. And they simply sit there and wait until it rains. When it rains, out pop the leaves, out pop the flowers, and guess what happens when they're done? And when it starts drying out again, they will go down underground into the bulb and wait until next fall and the rainy season.